Howdy everyone, this is Ellen Weatherholt and I'm the curator of the Children's Discovery Garden and Lakeside Promenade, and we have a really awesome new batch of curated seeds that are perfect for fall planting. So we're going to start with some carrots. Right now, early September through mid-October is a perfect time for you and your family to plant carrots. So we have several of these in our gift shop, but also they are available anywhere seeds are sold. So we've got some Scarlet Nantes, which are a very old variety. It's an heirloom carrot from France in the 1850s, and we're still growing it today, so it is tried and true. We've got Atomic Red. This is a really fun one, and the carrots themselves are actually a reddish color when you pull them out of the ground, and they tend to keep that color fairly well even when they're cooked. And then we've got a smaller variety called Littlefinger, and this one is a little bit smaller, so you should have a harvest a little bit faster. Carrots are a wonderful thing to grow with your family or with kids because they're easy to grow, easy to harvest, and no matter what size the carrot is, if it's just the size of your little finger or a foot long, they're all edible. So even if you harvest it a little early, you can still eat it. And then we've got Cosmic Purple. This is a really fun one. I've grown these and they are a beautiful color purple. They don't hold on to their color that well when cooked, but when eaten fresh, they're very purple. And if you want a little bit of everything, we've got the Calliope blend. That one's got lots of different colors in it. And then to go with your carrots, we've also got some snap peas. So this one is called Magnolia, and this one is really awesome because it's got a purple pod. The peas with purple pods are a little more rare, and there's definitely a new kind of trend in gardening to have these little purple pods, and they're great fresh or steamed or on a dip tray, and they are very productive. So get these in the ground as soon as you can and get your fall garden started.